IIT Delhi startup develops antimicrobial solutions to offer protection against hospital-acquired infections. Good afternoon and warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest development in education at top of the hour. This is Rituja reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: an IIT Delhi startup called Medicfibers have developed an antimicrobial solution in AIIMS New Delhi that can coat textiles to protect against hospital-acquired infections. According to WHO, every 1 in 10 hospitalized patients across the world experience a hospital-required infections. To tackle the issue, Medicfibers, in collaboration with AIIMS New Delhi, has developed an antimicrobial solution. Viroclog, with the new applied coating on textiles, provides long-lasting protection against HAI by reducing virus, bacteria, fungi survival on fabric. Coating the Viroclog antimicrobial solution on textiles lowers the surface energy, preventing adhesion on microbes, and destroys the members' integrity of microbes. Destructions of the lipid-based members barriers make the microbe inactive, thus preventing infection transmission. The main signification of the technology is to save lives and reduce healthcare-associated costs by integrating antimicrobial technology with hospital clothing that provides a layer of protection against microbial pathogens. The tests done by AIIMS New Delhi, IISc Bangalore, and multiple NABL incredible labs show that Viroclog technology contributes significantly towards reducing infection through antimicrobial hospital clothing. The existing market players primarily rely on egg-coated nanoparticles, when Viroclog is significantly different, processing broad-spectrum antimicrobial properties, said Harsh Lal, founder, Medicfibers. Secondly, while currently available solutions offer coating protecting up to 50 washes, the patent Viroclog solution in multiple laboratory testing could provide protection lasting more than 100 washes, demonstrating a high durability. Viroclog solution reduces infection, he added. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website, theenn.com, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Signing off, this is Rituja.